everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll do watercolor flower painting. Okay, so let's start with the materials. Water brushes, some watercolors and water, of course. First, let me show you how to use a water brush. It's honestly a game changer for watercolor painting. So you just need to unscrew the top, fill it with water from a small container and screw it back on. Now give it a little squeeze. See those tiny water droplets? That's all you need to start. Let's jump into our first technique. This one is super satisfying to watch. Wet the paper slightly, as we are already doing that. Dip your brush into your favorite color. I'm taking pink. Now gently press the brush on the paper and wow, look at how beautifully the color spreads. It's like magic. This technique is perfect for creating soft, dreamy effects. Moving on to technique number 2. This one's great if you love crisp, bold designs. No need to wet the paper first this time. Just pick your color and draw a simple heart shape. Clean your brush, removing any extra color. Now, with just water on the brush, gently spread the color inside the heart. See that beautiful transparency? It really makes the colors pop. Which technique do you prefer so far? 1 or 2? Let me know in the comments. Now let's put technique number 2 into action with this beautiful watercolor flower. Start by outlining the first petal with purple. Gently spread the color using your water brush. It's like blending without any force. Now add a touch of orange for some vibrant shading and draw delicate veins to give the petals more character. Leave some space before starting the next petal. This helps prevent colors from blending together while they are still wet. Finally, finish it off with a lovely green stem. And ta-da! We are done! Look at how stunning this flower turned out. So simple yet so beautiful, right? I hope you enjoyed learning these watercolor techniques with me today. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more fun art tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Happy painting!